Ever wonder if your child's happiness is tied to how much they move? A new big study says yes. But here's the game changer. It's not just how much they run around, it's about how they feel. So, who uncovered this? A super smart team from Swansea University gathered insights from nearly 17,000 children aged 7 to 11 across Wales. They used simple surveys to learn about daily activities, screen time, and how kids felt about being active and safe in their neighborhoods. Their findings were truly revealing. Kids active for at least an hour daily were 17% happier. But sitting over 2 hours a day meant a 16% dip in well-being and a 35% jump in emotional difficulties. The biggest surprise? Feeling safe outside was the strongest booster for happiness, 4 times more impactful than just physical activity. So, how can you use these insights to boost your child's happiness? First, aim for their magic hour. Ensure your child gets at least 60 minutes of active play every single day. This foundational step, as the study confirms, directly boosts their happiness by 17%. Second, focus on building their confidence and autonomy. Let your kids pick their games, encourage new skills, and celebrate all their small wins. When they feel good about their abilities and have choices in play, it significantly enhances their well-being. Third, ensure they feel truly safe where they play. The research highlights feeling safe as the most powerful predictor of happiness, even more than just activity. Explore play spaces with them and discuss any worries, ensuring their comfort. Want more science-backed ways to nurture your child's well-being? Hit that subscribe button. Every smart step today helps shape a happier, healthier tomorrow for your family.